Yo, good morning. How's it going, bro? Hello. Mikey D, is that you? Damn, dude.
What's up?
Alright. What's going on, guys?
Oh,
What are you thinking?
uh, right, hard.
Yeah, I would think higher, right?
Yeah. But I mean, this could be a retrace. See what happens, like, if we get in this hourly.
Mm.
But I do want to see higher. I feel like we have that huge gap, like that NWAG.
Yeah, we do.
Uh, yeah, I want to see the NWAG low key get filled. But it might not happen today, but at least want to see like that hourly gap get filled that we're below right now. It's like an 85 point move up into it.
Yeah. No, that's solid, honestly.
Yeah. Let me show you this one. But we have we took out these CPI lows like from a previous CPI last night. Like went through the low inside of a 4 hour.
Okay, I'm watching. Yeah.
And yeah, and then now we're coming up. So yeah, this we got the CPI low somewhere in here, and then we took it here. We definitely have S&T down here too
Okay.
overall with this 4 hour gap. So like
Yep.
it looks like this. But yeah, I mean, I would think we start to look from here. We just retrace and at least come up into like this gap and then maybe up towards these highs, and then this huge void.
Yeah. Yo, what if you right clicked and removed all drawings right now?
Okay, remove 80 drawings.
Oh my god. That's crazy.
Cause look at all the I have lows. Like I just mark out lows and extend them every week. So it's like
Yeah, that's wow.
we still have this weekly order block down here.
I have to clear my charts like every time I get onto them.
I used to, but then I like now like I'll just get rid of like these old like markings like this,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'll just add like the new ones. I'll just leave what needs to be there. So like there were probably a bunch of like boxes here from last week, and I got rid of them. And then you just add these. But I just want to see this whole void get filled. It's like a 250 point like well, 200 like almost 220 points. We have this SMT below. We have SMTs like at the top, but I mean it sent us through previous day low and into this 4 hours. So
Mm-hmm.
we'll
Yeah,
see.
right now we have it at both top and bottom.
Yeah.
I
We also
picked,
dumped a lot overnight, so we could just like do nothing.
very true. I picked up one of those Lucid Black accounts.
I saw those. A lot of people said that it's like pointless compared to the pro accounts, surprisingly. I mean, it looked good, but 40% consistency 3 days. It's like either you're taking like huge winning days, so you meet the consistency, or like you're just taking 3 days of base hits.
Yeah,
I think the
that's
main good thing though is no buffer though.
no, there is a
So they don't
buffer.
require, or do they require buffer?
I
I thought that was
think
like their main selling point is like the payouts don't require you to have a buffer.
no, I'm pretty sure you need a buffer. So
Oh,
I kind of screwed up with it. Yeah, like it's really not that good of accounts. The thing is that they're pushing consistency. Like you need to have
yeah.
consistency.
Yeah, and it's like they made the eval 60%, which is really no different than 50 because it's still gonna be a 2 day pass.
Yeah, no, they only did that so that people would be not scared of it. You know, that they could
Yeah,
actually just pass in 2 days.
and then the pricing. I mean, I guess like the pricing is fair because it's like kind of like fast tracked payouts, but
Yeah, but I mean
I mean,
it's
yeah,
regular. It's $100. You know, it's that's what.
yeah. I think Tradify's having a 40% for the next or yeah next couple days, 40% off of any account.
I think the select plans are one of the best in the industry right now. Honestly.
I agree. I think yeah. I mean, I think you if you have like 5 selects, 5 top steps, and then like any other firm of your choice is a good step.
Yep.
Let's see. So on NQ, where we have that hourly, we have a 4 hour on ES that overlaps the hourly. So yeah, I mean, if we're gonna go higher, like I at least want to just see us come into the hourly,
Mm-hmm.
and if I can catch like a long into it, then I'd rather that than try to long past it.
No, that's fair. Totally.
Yeah. Now if we trade above it and like we're strong above it, then obviously you have Asia at like 439. Then I would target that if we're just strong through the gap. But now I'd basically just be going from like external to internal from this point.
Well, exactly. Yeah, we swept out external. We're still forming that wedge on the higher time frame, so everything's still
Mhm.
aligning. I do want to see
Yeah.
higher from here.
And it's like even if we do want to go lower, we should I at least want to see us like rebalance like some of the NWAP
Mhm.
before we just plummet again.
Mhm.
Yeah. See too. And like the bottom, like where we make the bottom at is kind of like the last area of defense if we're not truly bearish.
Mhm.
So we'll see.
Tomorrow, I won't be able to stream, so we could either like call it or you could just stream. Whatever you want to do, up to you.
That's fine. We can we'll go over after the session. We
Yeah.
get to do some work.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
fine.
But
Bring us some
yeah, I
more.
think low key, I don't think there's like any like solid news starting till like midway on the week anyway.
Okay.
And Trump speaks on tomorrow morning, 8:30. Wow. That's
Nice.
spooky. We'll see. Do you know what are these WEF meetings?
Where do you see that?
On the
Oh,
on
on
Forex
Forex
Factory. So
Factory? Honestly, no
yeah, like
idea.
today it's orange, but tomorrow it's red.
Yeah.
But it's like an all day thing.
Literally,
Hmm.
I literally zero shot. A monkey has a better guess than me right now.
Yeah, I mean like I've never seen that before.
Yeah.
That's
We'll see
World
then.
Economic Forum.
Oh, okay. Okay, that makes
They,
sense
they
actually.
talk about economics in global.
Oh, so it's just like an economic meeting then.
Yeah.
Or
I see. I see.
you pay attention to like economic and world news like that, right?
Yeah, kinda.
Do you think, like, because you also read the charts, do you think that it actually plays a fact, like, do you think that it's already factored in, is what I'm trying to say, or do you think that news like actually just like delivers the price?
More like delivers, yeah.
Yeah, delivers.
But except these tariffs,
You think that the
because
tariffs are already
these,
factored in?
yeah, because if you look at the last year April's tariffs,
Uh-huh.
uh, Trump did that because they wanted to his circle wanted to get in a
Mm-hmm.
lower,
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. That shit was
cheaper
so
price.
obvious when that happened because we just flashed them 20% down and we bought it all right back up.
We wiped out 4 years worth of gains in like 2 months and then bought it all back in like 6 months.
Yeah,
Yeah,
after he
exactly.
came president. So yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I think it comes down to like I think it's like situational because I think some news is like meant to deliver and then like some news gets priced in over time until they report it.
That's fair. I
It's
think.
like so like with the tariffs, that's what happened. I feel like it
Because
was already like set to dump.
if you know how these these works like CPI, NFP, these all delayed datas.
Oh yeah. So
Yeah.
I agree with that, but then also when you look at it, like when you look at the news come out at 8:30, it's inhumanly possible for someone to read the numbers on Forex Factor or wherever they are going to get their fastest source of news, even from the Bloomberg terminal, and then react and actually buy and be a part of like pushing the candlestick up for the news candle. Like in my head it's
Mhm.
impossible. It comes out
Mm,
instantaneously.
no, I don't think so. I had we can call it predictions,
Uh-huh.
but I had trades based on fundamentals numbers.
Mhm. Did you do well?
I a few, yeah. I market ordered before the news,
Oh, I see. I see.
and it basically just from the numbers and with the economics help, I based on that trade,
I got
you know.
you. Yeah, yeah.
But if you know what the repo,
Mhm.
uh, that's the one what and the oil prices. That's the two things uh, that the Fed followings.
Yeah.
So these datas are delayed.
Important. Oh, delayed. Oh, okay.
Yeah, because the Fed releases these datas after month, after
Oh,
uh,
yes, 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 yes.
quarters. So yeah, these numbers,
See,
the
you're saying that,
previous,
yeah, the previous month's numbers.
yeah,
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 yes. So you're
and
saying that.
they act like on it.
Okay, so you're saying it's not delayed then, like and not factored in, or you think it? So what I'm saying factored in, like when the news actually comes out, then it doesn't cause.
It's already priced in.
Yeah,
You say it.
yeah, priced in.
Basically, yeah, it is.
I think it is too.
Just
Majority
the
of them.
Fed, yeah, the majority, yeah, yeah. But the Fed acts, uh, the how can I say? Sorry, my English is not
No,
the
no, no worries.
not the top. Um, they don't really act on the uh, came out data, if you know what I mean.
Okay. I wanna.
I said the repo, and the repo are the overnight transaction between banks.
Okay.
And if if that um, that's going in the wrong direction, the data follows,
I got you. Yeah, yeah.
and that's already priced in. So the Fed already know the data and those things.
I want to show you something real quick. Ready? Come on.
Okay.
Are you watching my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this was last year, right when basically Biden was in office, and then the switch over to Trump, right? So
Yeah.
this is what I mean by kind of factored in. So let me change this to that. So we inverse this fair value gap right here, and I know that's like we're just inversing a fair value gap, but time is like obviously most important. So when we're rolling over the calendar year right here and Trump's coming into office, I saw this as a sweep right here. I believe that we had SMT somewhere, but once we had this inverse, I was looking for shorts the entire time, and then Trump comes into office like right here. We pump up, we create, a scenario where people think that Trump's coming into office, everyone like it's going to be the same thing as last time, we're going to just go to all-time highs, and then this is like the real inverse, the candle that really inverses it, and then tariffs come out and it's already factored in. So like looking at something like this, I think that majority of news is already factored in. It's just up to time for it to come and like catch up and be in aligned. Because I see this on the lower time frames all the time. Like we'll inverse a fair value gap, and then we'll have to wait until the next 30-minute candle to open. We'll consolidate before it opens, and then we actually dump. You know what I mean?
Mhm. Yeah, yeah.
So I don't know. Just that's something to like, be wary about. But I think that it low key all is factored in, honestly.
I think so.
All right, we got 5 minutes. We got SMTs at the lows, at these internal lows here. YM took
Yeah. Yeah, why am I take London low too, and then make like an external SMT?
Oh, it did take out London low.
Did it?
It did. Yeah.
Oh shit, that's true.
And it made equal highs with London high.
Yeah, I do see that too. Fuck it, I don't even want to try to. Honestly, I just went long. Like,
Longing would
how
make.
short if we start plummeting towards London?
I agree. Yeah, I do like higher for coming into market open. I mean, this 5 minute fair value gap is definitely my condition. I want to see that inverse and then take longs. But if we were
Okay,
gonna take shorts, I mean, I don't even see shorts, honestly.
yeah, I can't see it. Would have to like just start moving strong down there and
Wait for more price
everything
action
moving.
form. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mikey, how's the Matrix treating you?
Not good.
He wants to escape so bad. I'm telling you, bro. Under my wing, and especially DMP's wing, you will be making some money in no time.
Very true.
That's why I'm in here every day.
Yeah, Mike's got good discipline. He's been sports betting a little bit, or he's always sports betted, and
Mhm.
I don't know. Like looking at his, you know what Pickett is?
Oh, let me see.
Pickett is like
Oh, pick it like the app. Yeah.
Yeah. So he has a Pickett, and then looking at his Pickett, bro, it looks like the trading, calendar, bro. There's days where he doesn't take trades and stuff. I'm like, dude, just switch over to trading where you can actually have an edge, bro.
Yeah. That now. Yeah.
If you have good discipline in that factor already, where you're not even taking trades every day, or you take one loss and you're done, like.
Yeah. Exactly. It's actually fire. Yeah. Pick it is like the main app that'll tell you if you're garbage or not.
Yeah, it tracks everything. There's no hiding nothing.
Mm-hmm. We do go higher. Our long's gonna frame himself though, because this does not look like.
Yeah, see, it doesn't look the cleanest, but on the 5 minute, I'm just looking at the 5 minute. If that 5 minute inverse is with the SMT at the lows, mechanically it does look good. But I mean, we have the the stacked highs. We have the SMT, the external SMT, and then now the internal SMT.
Let's see. Yeah, let's see where we where we at from this bottom to top of this round. Okay, we've tapped equilibrium.
ES definitely tapped GP.
You guys definitely did.
Yeah, it did perfectly in that 4 hour too.
Yeah. I mean, technically, we have retraced
Yeah.
at least equilibrium.
Yeah.
You have these pre-market highs at like 283, and then after that you have 320, which is that hourly gap, and then London high.
Yep. We got some
And
decent targets.
yeah, yes, yeah, yes is like 2 points between London and then the pre-market high. It's like if we take out the pre-market high, yes, we should take out London.
Yeah.
So I just want a free long.
Dude, did you trade yesterday at all?
Nah,
Dude, yesterday's long was stupid clean.
I did see that. It was actually so free.
Getting some volume now. It looks like we inversed it coming into market open, but I don't like how ES and YM are looking right now.
Yeah, it definitely looks like we'll close here on NQ, which could at least be the start of the move.
Wow, we edged
They
it.
failed it. Yeah, they actually just finessed.
Wow. I mean, there's a pump. There's
Oh,
SMT at,
all right.
yeah, there's SMT at highs. Let's see if we take
Oh,
London.
here comes London.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna rip it with no entry. I just see it already. Tried.
Wow.
We just opened 9:30 with a 70.1 minute candle.
Yep.
All right.
I know
Oh,
Ali's done for the day.
Yep, definitely. I mean, and in hindsight, like the 929 candle or 928 candle close is like a pretty solid like continuation if you want to see like the pre-market highs at least.
Yeah.
You just go break even as soon as we take out like those accumulation highs on the 1 minute. Holy.
Wow. YM's following here.
Yeah, ES is catching up. Looks like. I mean, I'd be down to long. Like, we have previous day highs at 471, which is also the NWAP tap. If we do just like get super strong, then I'll frame longs all the way up to there. Just this 1 hour is like not ideal. It could, because the 1 hour is like in golden pocket of if we take like the bearish range.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so we'll
Yeah,
see.
perfectly. Yeah, I saw that.
Mm-hmm.
So I
Yeah.
translated what I wanted to say. So by the time news is released, you were correct. The market's already positioned, but the move itself comes from how the news deviates from the expectation or the forecast.
Yes. But so now, from my perspective, right? In my mind, I don't think the human brain can differentiate the numbers that quickly to when it actually when news is released. like you see news like at 8:30 come out, it's instantaneous. It's like maybe 3 seconds after. Like I don't think the human brain can comprehend whether the numbers are good or bad, and then, cause the market to react like that quickly.
Yeah, that's right. If you know how the exchange works, or you saw videos from the old man, I don't know what his name, in the niche,
I'm not sure, honestly.
the guy who tours the tourists in the New York Stock Exchange.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I know who you're talking about.
Yeah, he said they have computers and
And the
programs
algo is also positioned like try to like
that
predict the news and position.
so the programs that actually helping these moves. So yeah, the human brains not actually reacting in these
Yeah.
seconds.
Yeah.
I would say your analysis or your saying is correct,
Uh-huh.
like 60 to 40%, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
By the way, what happened to your IG?
To IG?
Yeah,
Which one?
your personal.
Oh, I deactivated it. Trying to get out of like shadow ban.
Oh, you were?
Yeah, I think so. I was getting 0 views. I'm gonna try and
Break
activate
even
it.
on long.
Good shit. I'm gonna try and reactivate it though.
I'm targeting C of the hourly at 343 because my R was fucked in London time. So 343 is TP. Am I gonna regret that? Also, we have like double SMT now with the pre-market highs in London high now with the US.
Well,
I haven't checked where YM is.
YM just took out New York AM low.
And that's valid if we're bullish here on this side. Can I get a nice little spike NQ for the one time? It's technically Monday for me, NQ. Lock it in.
You hit there?
Cool. Yeah.
Good shit.
Not bad, not too shabby. Honestly, we are the strongest shit though. I do think we go for Asia.
Yeah.
Hey, look at that last 5-minute candle close.
Yeah, we're super strong.
And if the hourly's gonna hold, we need 5-minute confirmation lower. So
yeah,
what were you gonna say?
YM's just lagging hard, but I do.
So I mean, YM basically we have S&T at the entire like bottom, right? Even at London low now.
Yes. Yeah, there's really no draws for NQ to go lower.
So we shouldn't be yeah, you shouldn't assume NQ to short at this point. I would ideally want to see ES like I want to see NQ stall a bit and see ES catch up, take London, and then see them align and correlate.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We're about to tap this first presented right here.
Yeah. We're off CE of that hourly, but I mean that 5-minute close into it was really strong, so we'll see. Ideally, it would have to be like this 5-minute form, and then we flip down out of the hourly for me to even like somewhat consider. This first presented is nice, like a nice significant gap too. Sweet.
This is what
33 gap.
You know the break of structure for a value gap guy? Not TJR, but he trades options.
Yeah.
This is like an important fair value gap he claims. Like when we make a fair value gap right where the session high or low is.
I think with like the first presented gap too, I think why it's so significant is because it's like that's where like you're getting the volume of the New York Open, so it's like that gap actually has like significance.
And we actually might flip it here. Wow.
That's pretty strong. I mean, SMT at the top.
Yeah.
It's just like where could you even target? It'd have to be like you'd have to target like the 830 lows. Like you can't even go to like too crazy. It's like I'm not even bearish here. it would just be based on like the S&T with ES, and that's the only like bearish confluence really.
Yeah, no, I agree with that. I want to see this first presented hold.
I guess yeah, it'd be that, and then just monitoring how like what we're doing based on tapping this hourly here.
Hmm.
But I do want to see like, a nice displacement out of first presented ideally. And then we have 20 minutes hourly could flip higher to an inverse, and if we like push up again.
Totally.
Only thing is this inverse would be like mechanically valid, right?
Like to the downside.
Yeah, like you have your sweep, you tap a PD array, so it would technically be like it
Yeah.
would be valid mechanically.
No, it would be.
Mhm. Holy, look at that! We filled the entire gap. It's not a bad reaction. ES is kind of trending a little stronger, like right here. We don't have any kind of like news. Oh, actually, let me see. Nah, we don't.
think so. Yeah.
Seems like volatility's starting to come back. Trump mentions Greenland and tariffs one time over the weekend, and the market just says, "Oops."
True.
Bro, Trump's actually like a first grader, bro. He goes, "Yeah, you're not gonna let me buy you, so I'm just gonna put more tariffs then." Like, bro, what do you mean? You can't just do that.
It's crazy, man.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's like that's a borderline dictatorship move. He said he would give every citizen of Greenland 100 grand to leave. Give us 100 grand, bro.
Nah, that's insane.
Like, what do you mean? That's a good push up actually right here.
That is.
First presented. A continuation would be like, I guess that close and up at the low. But it's weird because I just want to see that hourly start getting pushed through. So maybe like we start flushing through the recent high we made again, high of day,
Mhm.
and then that confirms.
Ranges are nice and big, right?
Yeah, definitely. My stop today was 51 points.
Yeah.
So definitely super like high volume for sure. Let's see, 2 minute, 5 minute. We may make a 5 minute gap here in the next 20 seconds, or we should. Would be our highest like time frame gap that we'll have.
Mhm.
Maybe get a sweep of the internal lows again into the 5 minute, then get a move up. Maybe
Yeah,
a nice inverse.
I do like that. We do have SMT at the highs now here. Yes.
Mhm.
Let's see what happens here. Yes, sweep of internal here. Oh, we might flush. Let's see.
Yeah, that's strong. Let's see, we make that 5 right there. Okay, tab is 5. 2 evens. We have a smaller one too below. Definitely look heavy right here though.
Yeah, we do.
Do we have any S&T on that move? Yes. We do not. Not currently. That is a strong ass candle. Holy.
Yeah.
It's a 60.1 minute candle.
Yeah, these ranges are massive today.
They are, yeah. Yeah, like my 2 minis today, I had like 2K of risk up.
Dodgy just alerted that first presented flip.
Yeah, I mean that's strong, honestly.
Let's see what happens. I
mean,
don't. The only reason I don't like it is the ranges are just massive.
yeah, it's like I mean this move could just be like retracing into us. It looks like we're just getting heavy.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I'm overall bullish. I would like short if we start like if you mark out like your sell side down like pre-market range lows, everything. I would only short if it's just clear that we're coming for one of those or like sell side levels.
I agree. I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to take anything right here.
It's like right now our nearest session level is London, 180 points down.
Yeah.
So it's like ideally you wait for us to dump 100 points and then try and like get a move to London or something.
Mm-hmm. I agree.
But I do want to see us just go higher. I don't want to see us range either. Like I feel like the weekend like the RFBS should have cleared us up a bit, at least for the week.
Yeah, there's 5-minute gap tab. Let's see how we react out of it.
That's a good wick out of it. Holy.
We're getting strong.
Just 1 minute might flip right here. Tiny 1 minute gap. I would also, if we reclaim that original gap we just closed below too, would be clean.
Mm-hmm.
Along with this inverse we might make here. There's just that like H is just so far, you'd have to find like an internal target. We did get that tiny gap there to flip.
Yeah, the 1 minute.
The indicator alert there, nah.
Let's check. I think it did actually.
Yeah, it did.
It did.
That's not bad. That wouldn't be like bad mechanically. I think discretionally it's like I want to see like slightly more, but this would be the good area to start going higher from again.
Yeah.
At that 5.
I just don't like the inverse that it's in premium of this range.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Like we're just like we're extended up here now.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't look bad. Alternatively, you also I guess could also just wait until we're closer to Asia. We're about 115 points from it now, so you should be able to find like something really clean towards it if we're truly bullish.
ES just took out internal highs here, so just be careful. And YM took it out. About to take London on YM.
Yes, looks like we might correlate here actually.
Yeah,
with
we're getting strong.
NQ.
Here. Yeah.
That 5-minute tap is really fucking good too, honestly. Because that candle was like super bearish and we just flipped it all the way back.
Mm-hmm. That 5-minute tap was nice.
Yeah, we just reclaimed that 933 gap, that bigger gap we like flipped down at first.
Mm-hmm.
We just closed it. Also made like this 1 minute like order block and breaker. More so like the order block is more significant. Those 2 candles down.
We did take out London on ES and YM. We're correlated, but internal SMT here.
Yeah. Yes, just tapped into that 4-hour and 1 hour that overlap each other as well.
Yep.
On London, which is like, see, I like liquidity sweeps like that. Like that's where I can like sit here and be like, maybe we can reverse because it's actually like a level above the buy side.
Yeah. No, I agree with
Yeah.
that.
But today I don't want to see. I do want to see the next 15 minutes get a close over the hourly gap, at least on NQ. So 10 a.m. like get a nice closure. Maybe ES somehow get to a 4-hour close at 10 on the 4-hour, and then that'd be nice as well. I really hope we don't just start like ranging the. We just put that lower high in right now.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see.
The longer we sit in this range, starts looking like we're gonna ping pong just back and forth again.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want it. I don't want us to do that. See what ES looks like. We are getting slightly heavy.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Let's see.
Yeah, I guess like the 5 minute would just have to flip to like confirm that the hourly is like actually holding. As long as we hold, I mean, I just like higher. It's also just hard to short now that YM already took everything down.
I agree with you. I'm gonna measure out this 5-minute wick. So we're tapping equilibrium of this wick right here, the CE. Let's see if we react. Oh, we're reacting nice.
Yeah, I wanted to see if we wick filled right here. Of that 5 minute. See, I think we actually, yeah, we nicely tapped CE of that actually.
Yeah.
So let's see if we hold a decent reaction up.
I don't like that 30-second. Let's see though.
We're just like, I want us to start ranging here. This 1 minute is starting to look like just like it's tightening.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Marcus? Bro, this is pissing me off.
It's garbage. We gotta wait for one of the sides to be broken. Sweep one of the sides and then look for a clean like inverse. When
Yeah.
when the move's like actually happening, it'll be super obvious and just like hit you in the face.
Yeah, you won't hesitate on it.
Dang.
Right now, the only thing that I would have seen that would have been solid would have been that like 1 minute gap flip at 942, and that would have been a break even because he would have went break even at the internal high that we
Mhm.
took. So that was like the only decent entry. I mean, that entry is pretty solid. I mean, we got 5 minute tab there and nice flip up. So
Wow.
I've been in the long from the 142. Or sorry, 942.
Hopefully we pump here.
Yeah, for real.
this is solid right here. Start to break above high of day and continue would be nice towards Asia here, 439. Now at least we're moving out of the range.
Hey,
Holding.
Jamal. Hey, what's going on, man? This is Mike over at Shore. You're still in the market for some working capital for the business?
Boy's putting in that work.
X.
I just muted him.
W. So now, if we retrace down, I'm going to monitor this 1 minute gap.
Mm-hmm.
Technically, I mean, this 1 minute gap, just with the volatility, if we retrace and get a super strong move, I would assume it sends us to Asia. Because we're just
Yeah.
moving like very hard point wise.
Yeah, I like this as I'm like confirmed buy side now. That
Yeah,
50
after seeing us come up above 5 day.
Yeah.
And we're correlated now as well with ES, which is good.
Mm-hmm. I want to see some decent retrace and then.
Oh, when we start at 10 a.m., they can also like give us the high time frame close.
I want to see 10 a.m. open, give us some sort of internal manipulation towards the lows, and then send it to the stratosphere.
That's solid. We have midnight open at 379, 6 p.m. open at 394, and then after that you have the Asia high. So I mean, like, those are pretty solid levels.
Mm-hmm.
I think ultimate draw is the like previous day high as well as like filling that NWAG
Yeah, I agree.
at 471. Yeah, so I like higher, and then I think that's like the final objective. And then we'll see what happens from there.
Yep.
But I mean, it looks like we're just trending upwards. I wouldn't be bearish whatsoever at this point.
Now we got to shake out, all the people that sat from 9 to whatever.
Yeah, exactly. And I mean, I guarantee a lot of people definitely shorted like on a couple of those moves there.
Mm-hmm.
See what this 1 minute gap does here. We may not get this hourly close though.
Wime's looking
Depending
big
on-
here, which is good, right?
Let's see.
For NQ.
Yeah, I mean, it's ideally, yeah. I mean, if they're flipped like in correlation, that's not bad. Now, like ES and NQ flip in correlation, that's kind of fucked.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, ideally, YM can be dumping while NQ goes up. I mean, that's what we kind of did off the open.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's fine.
You think if we
I'm-
closed the hourly, we'd go for the gap?
Honestly, I mean, that's kind of what I want to see. And then like on ES, like I would prefer for ES to also close because it has a 4 hour, but it doesn't look like it will. But on NQ, like if we close the hourly, I think like filling in the NWAG makes sense. Even if we're still bearish, like that, like it's basically a literal void in price, where it's like there's just a huge gap between orders and that big void.
Mm-hmm.
So like realistically, we could come and fill the NWAG and then just remain bearish and come back down. But like typically when we have an NWAG that big, you'll see price like gravitate towards it. A super good draw. So like yeah, I mean, my weekly objective right now would be that NWAG, and like tomorrow's already gonna be Wednesday, so it kind of aligns. Maybe tomorrow or today we get the NWAG, make the high of week, and then just start coming back down again. Could be very possible. We're into that 1 minute right here. So a 2 minute.
Make it easy, NQ. Come on.
Honestly, right? Like, I mean, ideally, right? This 1 minute, I just want to see a super strong ass candle close out of it. That's just clear. Bonus points if we get a nice inversion with it.
Mm-hmm.
Huge.
It's like we are trying to hold that gap. So ES flipped that gap, but NQ's holding it.
Mm-hmm.
ES is just weaker though, so we'll see. I don't know. I think from like there's this area like I don't know. I just can't frame shorts today, even if they look like really good.
I do think we're still on buy side of the curve.
Yeah, I mean, I think buy side is going to go all the way up to the end walk at the very least.
Hmm. This hourly is, pretty significant though.
Yeah, we are using it because of the barrier.
Yeah. We will see what happens. Let's see what happens at 10 first off.
Yeah, that's the thing. I mean, at 10, I just want to see us like close it. That'd be the most ideal thing. Right now, it doesn't seem like it, but
Hmm.
if somehow we close it at 10, like it makes it easier to be more bullish. Definitely, if you zoom out and you really look at it, we are ranging. It's just like we're volatile, so you could like a scalp would print.
Yeah.
But yes, definitely doesn't look too pretty.
Looks like we're gonna hold this 1 minute again. Let's see. Oh, this 30-second looks nice, honestly.
Yeah, fill that entire 1 minute. That candle reaction's not bad. Oh, wow. Interesting.
30-second goes Luke.
Yeah, that 30-second close was pretty like solid, can't lie. I'm bad at reading second chart. That's Jan's thing, though. I don't have second chart discretion.
I did take that. I just
Oh yeah,
went break even here.
solid. Yeah, I like it. I mean, if we're gonna go higher, like you would want to see it from this area now. We already rebounced on the 5 minute,
Hmm.
so it's like,
Damn.
jeez. Okay, flush high of day out, and we look real good, to be honest. Honestly, that's the best part about trading is taking and putting your stop to break even.
Yeah, I agree. About to get break even.
Good
here.
thing.
Shit. Yeah.
Damn, we edged that high crazy. What the fuck?
Got break even.
No S&T here just yet. I mean, if we do take high of day, then we'll S&T, but as of right now, we don't have anything. 40 seconds, so 10 now. Might get this close that we want,
Hmm.
at least. We do still have our Asia highs, so as long as those are intact, then there's still a draw to trade towards. Ooh, they do not want to close the hourly gap.
Nope.
Ready to place your first futures.
Here's 10.
See it. Come on, NQ. No ranging. Still sitting in that 1 minute. The 5 minute definitely, like once we got up here, the 5 minute definitely stalled out hard.
Hmm. This is just looking rangy now.
Yeah. Yes, looks like it might make an SMT at internal lows.
Lime's coming down for a New York game low, honestly.
Yeah, PS looks weak. And Q's starting to somewhat get heavy.
Hmm.
Did we flip the 1 minute there, or did we just like
I did get
perfect?
I did get the signal, but that might be like perfect, dude.
Yeah, it looks like it. Right? The ES just made the internal low. Like that low's all the way down at 245 on NQ.
Hmm.
See if maybe that can be our 10 a.m. manipulation.
That would be
For higher.
That would be ideal, honestly.
Yeah. Like that's a very significant SMT there. Like NQ's nowhere near that low as of right now.
Yeah, I still hold this 2 minute unless. Never mind. Let's see. It did the
Hourly.
same thing. I don't even know. Look at the 2 minute.
You see. Yeah, and then that wick. You wouldn't want to see that wick when I flip.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yes, just tapped like a small 5 minute, like the last one in the leg at the
Mhm.
bottom there.
Oh, good shot. Yeah.
Holy shit.
That's the thing, like the candlesticks are definitely volatile. It's just we're ranging ever so volatile. Like
I agree. Yeah. It's just not clean. It's terrible.
Mhm. Yeah, like the 3 minute, the 5 minute look terrible. We have a 15 minute gap down here.
Yeah. Yep.
I guess that could be our current like condition here, or a new condition.
I'm not seeing anything I like right now.
Yeah, no, it definitely just doesn't look. It doesn't look obvious. ES is below that 15 currently, and QS is yet to tap it.
Flip that 2 minute there.
Yep. I feel like PB would take that 2 minute into the 15. That's like the mech, but I just can't like that. His model is just way too mechanical for me.
Yeah, it is pretty mechanical.
Because like basically here, it's like his model basically says that since that 15 is there, like we're pretty much 90% guaranteed to go to it. It's basically how the model's set.
Yeah.
Yes, it's wicking up here.
Here's a 2 minute on ES.
Just peeped.
YM's 2 minute looks pretty strong too.
Let me check. If we could start correlating like on all of them, would be solid. YM. I'd say today was like one of the first days in a while YM didn't look just obvious as shit though.
Definitely. Today would have been the day that we full ported on options
Yeah, right.
and just got cooked.
Pour on the options and watch it do nothing.
Yeah. Alright, I need to turn this shit off.
I just want to see the divergence at the bottom here start to hold.
Pull up to Florida.
When you going?
I just booked a flight February 17th for a week.
That's fire. Let me see what my dad's doing, but I'll come. Fuck it.
For real?
Yeah, I mean, as long as my dad has it covered, I'll come.
You think you'll be able to?
Yeah, I just need to see his schedule. My thing
Word,
is,
bro.
I don't, dude. I literally don't have a life. Like I have to work around my dad's schedule.
Yeah. No.
What are you flying?
Spirit.
Yeah, I mean, that's totally fine. I want to start just like getting.
Business is down, brother. I'm just
yeah,
Triton can't push his fucking code. I'm flying Spirit.
I
Yeah,
want
it was like crazy cheap though. It was $80 round trip.
yeah, and just to start building miles, bro. It's good.
Yeah. Yeah, and with the Amex, you get like all the rest of it covered. Sort of.
Like, what's the rest of it?
Like Spirit doesn't give you a bag. So
Oh.
anything like if you're buying bags or if you buy drinks or food or whatever,
Oh damn.
they give you like a $200 credit.
Is that per flight?
No, that's either twice a year or for the year.
Gotcha.
That might be for the year. Yeah.
I think I'm gonna have 2 videos to upload because I know Slides got asked for like an example of how I mark my charts, but it's actually solid. I never thought of that. And then like a recap.
That's fire.
Nah, I got reminded when he said, what would it look like if you removed all your drawings? Like 82 drawings I have on here.
Remove them and then Control Z.
But you know what's fried? Like I literally had to redo my levels because of the contract rollover.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
I hate when that happens, bro. It's actually terrible. Because all my levels get shifted by like 100 points.
You can just change that setting, no?
I've tried to find a way, but I think like no matter what, like the pricing for some reason the prices like just changed. Like whatever like all-time highs were on the previous contract like was completely different on the new ones.
Double click one of your candles real quick.
Let's see. Or
And then go to events. And then contract. Oh, I don't know.
yeah, like it rolls over fine, but then like it'll just like
Was this
shift my levels by a bit. I think it always just does that anyway, because I mean it's basically like a completely different like chart in a sense.
Mhm.
DMP was this shit?
I was just whenever like contracts roll over, like your levels change because like the pricing of the chart changes whenever the contracts roll. Like basically like before this contract, like ES hadn't cleared 7K yet, but then when the contracts rolled over, ES's all-time high said it was at 7,011.
Oh.
So
They
it's just
use
like
only the this all-time continuous based ticker.
yeah, like so I just have like you mean like the like continuous switches on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so I always leave it on this setting, right? Continuous contract switch. Yeah, I usually leave that on because I think when I found out about having to turn that on, it was like when we had rolled over one time and I just had like just like 1/3 of my chart just missing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks like we're so slowly grinding lower.
Yeah, I finally tapped this 15-minute.
Yep.
I want to see what happens here now. I mean, this is
Yeah,
just.
ES is all the way down to like the range lows at this point here too.
Yeah, this is literally AIDS.
Yeah. Guess at this point here, like if you were to find like some long in this area, it would just have to be the high of day. Would make most sense.
Mm-hmm. I would agree.
Small 1 minute gap.
Can you look at the Y time? Sorry,
Wait, Ivan.
wait a minute. So try to fix the Y-axis.
The y-axis.
Yeah,
Where's that at?
in the right.
You mean like this?
Right, yeah, right click that
Uh,
and maybe you have enabled that.
I could probably end up like looking it up.
Look
It's
at
not even, it doesn't happen too often. It's only like when we switch. So it's like, it happens like once every so often on the contract switches. The worst case, I just have to like move my levels back and align them, but
This is so bad.
yeah, or just like, it's not even obvious anymore. Because there's no real obvious draw lower, SMT lower. We don't have anything like SMT at the top, but we are coming out of like high time frame gaps. So I guess now, I guess with that being said, like our conclusion could just be we range.
Mm-hmm.
But like, I don't know. NQ looks like it's like holding and it's just waiting for like ES to start moving up again.
Yeah, this is just
Not that deal.
terrible. Yeah.
Jean, can you look at the DM later?
My DM?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
Thanks.
Jeez.
So bad, dude.
Yeah.
Slazzy, you take anything, bro?
No, there's nothing to take.
Yeah, this shit's ass, bro.
I wanted to take longer, but I don't. London Law. Okay,
Mhm.
it's like too late for me.
Oh, that's W discipline. Because I'm not gonna lie, we looked really good at first. Then, as the market went, we just started to range more and more, and then
Yeah, we're stuck in between S&P like above and below. We're stuck in between 4-hour and 8-hour. And we just have like we have kind of clean draws still above and below. Like I'm still really bullish on the week.
I mean, I want to be bullish until the NWOG, and then like, I mean, we could very well fill the NWOG and just be and dump again, but the NWOG's like 200 points wide. I want to see it. At least even if we could literally wick into it and dump, but like that draw is just super strong.
Well, just like everything above is really strong. Like we have 15-minute equal highs. We have a 1-minute internal high at 438. We have the N log. We have 1 hour relative equal highs at 753. Like there's so many draws above. But then below, we now have London low created a relative equal low at a 4-hour unfilled gap. And then we
Mhm.
also have previous month low. So it's like there's draws below too.
Yeah, I see it. What you mean?
I'm kind of just watching that 1 hour gap that's being respected. Like if we can somehow flip that, it'll really like decide my bullish bias.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see us flip it at 10.
Yeah, but dude, that if you look on the 1 hour right now, that rejection is really strong.
No, yeah,
But
for
then if you
sure.
look on the 4 hour, the 4 hour rejection off the unfilled 4 hour was also strong. So it's like that's why it's chopping right now, in my opinion.
Yeah, no, that makes sense.
We're just in between PDRAs. Kind of
Yeah.
just it's one of those days where you just gotta test your discipline and just let price do its thing for a little bit.
W Slazzy.
Yeah, honestly, yeah. W slash. I mean, technically today
Have you been
would be the Monday for the market, really.
yeah. Well, today's no news, right? We didn't have no red folder today.
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, there was nothing.
Or was there? Yeah. Yeah. So like low key, it's pretty much a no news Monday, if you really think about it.
Yeah, essentially. Especially because like the
Yeah,
actual
hopefully
like
the rest of
NYSE was closed yesterday. Only futures was open half day, but the actual
Yeah.
market wasn't open. So this does look
Yeah.
like a typical Monday, perhaps.
Yeah. I mean, bro, if you hop on a 15-minute, it just looks like a fat ass buy model though.
It does.
That's why
That's
I'm
the
like
thing,
still
yeah.
really bullish.
But if we're rejecting
That-
out of this 1 hour, bro, we could be making an internal sell model. You know, if this 15-minute
Yeah.
closes, I could definitely see us coming down from London low.
That's what I'm saying. Like this could, like I thought we might have made the low of the buy model, but this could deadass be like the second manipulation or the whatever it's called, the second
Second stage
whatever, and then
manipulation.
it'll come down lower, create SMT at the low, like maybe tap into the second 4 hour unfilled or the
Mhm.
previous monthly low,
Mhm.
and then create the buy model back up
Yeah,
towards that analog.
I think previous month low is gonna be a protected low, at least for now, until we create the
Yeah.
sell model on like the weekly time frame. But coming down from London low, resweeping that low, putting in an SMT there, I could definitely see that happening. This 15-minute closes, yeah, expect a bloodbath for today.
Yeah, for sure.
But that's the condition if the 15-minute closes, but we're looking strong here.
Oh, yeah, that's just, well, I looked down for 2 seconds. That's good. That is so, actually, yeah, internal SMT there too. The lows.
I did jab this
Holy
one.
ripper.
Yeah. I'm break even here. I'm holding for half pass. I just half passed. Let's fucking
right.
go, baby. That's where patience comes in right there. Let's fucking
Dude,
go.
what the fuck happened? What is
Holy
that?
shit. What did you take?
Coming out of the 15-minute, I mean, that was definitely the condition right there. And then I was scaling down to
Yeah.
the 15-second, and then just those strong 15-second candle closes, and then I just went break even at that internal high. I just held for a half pass.
That's crazy. Damn.
Let's go.
That 1 minute candle is 70 points.
Holy
Yeah, this is
shit.
not vol. This is too
And I thought
volatile for me to
there was
trade.
gonna be a tweet to go with that candle. That candle just existed like for no reason. It's crazy.
Dude,
That
this is
was
a
vol-
crazy volatile
But
range.
that
This is a
Virgin sell.
150 point range that we're in. But these
Yeah.
candles are just like 40 points each. Like it's just hunting your stop loss.
Scalp trader's dream.
Probably not good trade. It's not going on.
I mean,
I think that
if
was
we start clearing up here,
Yeah, I think that was the
It'll be back.
start of it right here. I mean, if that 15-minute closed and inverse, then we were gonna come from London low. But after that type of reaction, bro, I think we're still on buy side of this curve.
that was pretty crazy. I mean, basically we held the original SMT and then we SMT'd again.
Yep, exactly.
then- Yeah.
I want a 5 minute
And-
continuation. Please give me a 5 minute continuation. I really want these 15 minute equal highs at 470. I've had those at target for a bit.
470. Oh yeah. You said 470, right?
Yeah, just go way to the
Okay.
left, right
Yeah, I
below
mean
the
that's
analog.
like
There's
that's the
perfect
analog
equal
fill
highs.
too. Oh, it's like 471 for the analog
Yeah.
fill, so that's solid.
So
I mean, the analog's an objective for the week, I think.
I just got that.
Yeah.
What's your name, Slazzy? I bought the what Lucid account are you on? Just regular
I use flexes.
flexes. I bought the black account. I bought one of them.
Yeah,
I just passed it.
those are like the new ones.
It
That's
looks
fire.
it looks decent, but the only thing is it's kind of all centered around consistency.
Yeah, I bought one too.
Yeah. I bought a flex before they increased the price of it because I like the no consistency on funded.
Yeah,
But,
I do too. Honestly,
Yeah,
it's just not something.
but I
worry
mean the
about.
blacks did look good. Yeah, 3-day payouts and bonus payouts is kind of sick. So
Wait.
Yeah, for my
yeah,
thought,
I'm literally like
my thought
what were you saying,
process.
Tim?
My thought process, honestly, for
Where's
this
it?
black
How'd you get
account is I'm gonna go for the max payouts every time, like just for the one account.
Yeah, because 3-day
Hurts.
payout. Yeah,
You sure this one?
yeah, that
Yes,
makes
because when I
sense.
touched it, it felt like I pushed it in more. Like I thought it was just something on my finger.
Let's see if this 1 minute gap holds. Damn, holy reaction.
Only 1 minute gap tap. $50 gap.
Wow. That's fire. I already got the funded account. Like they already upgraded it.
That's insane.
That's actually pretty dope.
I thought it was only half pass.
Well, I mean, like I half passed yesterday also.
That's fire. Wait, so what are the payout rules for it?
So I don't know exactly. I think it's 3K max payout per every 3 days with a 40% consistency rule. And then
Bro.
yeah, and then on the second payout, so not the first, on the second one, you have the ability to have like a bigger payout. So I think it's like 1250 additional for the second payout. So you could do like 4250 for the second payout.
That's gross. So you just need like 3 good trades?
Yeah, so my thought process is just go for $1,000 a day, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know exactly though. There might be a buffer that you might need to make, which I think you might need to. I'm gonna check Lucid's website right now.
So stupid.
So there is a scaling plan.
I never really know what that means.
So the scaling plan is to start off when you're on the funded account, you only have you only have access to 2 minis, and up until like the $1,000. I'll just send you a screenshot. It'll be easier if I just send you a screenshot. So take a look at this screenshot. So from $0 to $999, you only have access to 2 minis. And then after you break that $999, then you have access to 3 minis and then 4 minis from there.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna go see what Ali took today. Yeah, he took that 929 candle, Jan.
Yeah, that was stupid clean, honestly.
Like, he took that candle and then put the stop at the low of it for
Yeah.
20 points.
I mean, that's valid as shit, you know.
Yeah, and then I think he closed it at. Honestly, I don't even know what he was targeting because it wasn't the pre-market highs. I think he just closed it at some internal high or something. It looks like.
I mean, DMP, what did you take?
I took yeah, I'll send in the future share or not future share. I'll send in the
I see your trade. Like, where was
oh.
it? Like, what time?
9:32.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see you targeted London high.
Yeah, and then the hourly basically.
Yeah, it's clean. Was it out of a 5 minute?
It was out of a 1 minute, like a small 1 minute.
Oh, yeah. No, it was out of a 5 minute.
Oh, did we tap 5 on there?
Oh, no, we didn't. You're right. It was out of 1 minute.
Yeah, we got that 9:25, like 5 minute close, which was like solid. And then off the open, we came down into the 1 minute and held pretty solid. So I just jabbed it.
Yo,
Yeah, it's clean.
I'll be right back.
But yeah, if I would have held, like I basically closed at C of the hourly just because my R at London was only going to be 0.86, so I extended it up for 1.3
Yeah.
at CE, and then we tap C, and then I would have got break even if I held it.
How much do you size to make that much?
I took 2 minis today on this.
Was it at eval or funded?
These are 150K evals.
Okay, yeah. I was gonna say like that seems
Like even on the XFAs, like I do 2 to 3 minis on the 150s.
really damn. Okay.
Yeah,
I trade like
sizing more.
I trade like 5 to 7 micros.
Yeah, I used to do that. I just size more because like I'll get the buffer out of the way and like get to actually build it faster. But I was on micros for a while anyway. I mean, you can't really use minis or on a 50K anyway. Not with these ranges.
Yeah. For me, I haven't been. I can't like just cycle like a shit ton of accounts, you know. So I kind of need to take my time on my accounts.
Yeah, no, it's fair.
Did you see that woman at Gap Tap at 10:24?
Yeah, so it would have been clean if that gap was 50 points wide.
Yeah, I
Because your
know.
stop would
I
have
think
to have been like insane low key, unless you just like took that close and then just kept it at that recent low.
yeah.
I always just protect my like I always put the stop below the gap because like you could just resweep in the gap and hold it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna not take anything today. Check it out
I mean, that's
tomorrow.
right, honestly.
Might check out Asia, to be honest.
Yeah.
All right. What did I hear about Asia?
I've really been liking Asia Gold.
Oh,
I've
no.
been trading that a lot.
I love
Oh yeah,
Asia.
come on, just been moving overnight.
Asia Gold is peak.
Jan trades 15-second gold. I don't know how.
I love it.
I might need to invest in this 15-second chart, bro, if it's meta.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, Slazzy. If you do it properly, bro, I don't know. I don't even. It's just so good. I love it.
Yeah, it can be super precise.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
if you catch the entry on the 15-second, then it's just like the lowest possible time frame entry. Besides like a 5 and a 1 second,
Just-
obviously.
You have to really filter out the bad trades.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah.
Do the candles move quicker?
Check out my screen. They do definitely move quicker.
Let me see. Oh yeah, damn. It's like super volatile.
You get it?
This was mine right here. It was 15-minute fair value gap, and then just like this right here, and then break even right here.
Yeah, it's
But it you do have to filter out a lot of the noise. Like, you know, this is pretty. It's messy. But when it's obvious, like this is the only super obvious trade. Like when you look at this, like maybe this is a little obvious, this flip, but
Just perfect because of the SMT. Beforehand, we didn't have that. Or we didn't have that internal SMT. We just had like the kind of like range SMT.
agreed. And then we put this internal SMT right here, and then
It rebounds to 15 more, and then the move down on the 15 was like clear manipulation because like it just printed downward, and then the move back up was
Yep.
clear.
Yep. And now look at this. We're on buy side. Everything's in a line, and everything looks pretty. As soon as
And the NWOG is open.
most people are off the charts now, like everything it's just perfect, you know.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
why,
we are correlating now.
dude. After AB like really brought in the condition and just like thinking about it, kind of like code, like if then
Yeah.
statements, bro. It's helped a lot.
I guess I was like subconsciously like doing that before,
Mm-hmm.
because like that's just like that's just like a continuation thing. Because I guess it's like how you like decide if the trend is the trend or not.
Exactly. Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, conditions are actually fire. We can make a video on that.
Oh yeah.
Did we
definitely.
add sorry,
Go ahead.
did we add a 30-second long too, or just a 15?
Let's check. From Dodgy indicator, you're saying?
Yeah, we can check this too.
I don't know if Dodgy even alerted that 15-second, but let's see what the 30-second was.
Now we didn't have a 30-second for this.
Yeah, this was the only 30s. Let's see. It's loading. So we had this one, which failed, really. But this one I really wouldn't take. And then this one right here, that would have been a break even. But I don't like this because it's in premium of this range right here.
Yeah.
Let's see the 15-second.
Yo.
I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I'm probably gonna hop on the charts.
But peace, Lazzy.
Yeah. Later.
Yeah, 15-second actually caught mine. That was perfect.
Yeah, nice, good trade.
It caught this one right here, and then this short
And
actually is really nice.
Yeah.
Were y'all bullish or fucking bearish when market opened? Like before market, I guess.
Yeah, I was bullish.
I was bullish, yeah.
Bullish, yeah, okay. Loki was trying to short from the 15. I shorted like a few times on the 15-minute gap, and because we were failing to like flip the or respect the 5 minute. Bro, I kept going break even after fucking break even, and then I finally like
Yeah.
smacked those longs you guys took too.
Yeah, I only want to
It's annoying.
see. I just want to see higher until the new week opening gaps filled.
Yeah, 100%.
That's what I told myself. What did I say? I think last night when I saw us come down like at the bottom, I was like, yeah, I'm only
Or-
longing this week.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, we tapped the 4 hour gap, and then there were these CPI lows all the way down there that we finally took.
Yep. Just took fucking forever.
Yeah,
Yeah, I already knew we were long at the 4 hour gap. I was like up during Asia session with Vortex. Shit was-
as usual.
Yeah. We gotta run that shit.
We
That shit
do,
later.
yeah. I've been playing.
But
Your lobbies are
down
just
later.
sweaty.
Yeah, I know the lobbies are ass. I mean, literally every time we play like hella late, like super
That's
late.
true too,
Not gonna
yeah.
lie. Yeah,
But yeah, I'm down to play. Just gotta hit me up whenever.
I bet. Sounds good to
So-
me.
Sir.
My bad. I'm gonna go to class. I'll see you guys later. Good trade.
Yes, sir, bro. Take it easy.
And, yeah, you too guys. Peace out.
Later.
Does anyone want to go over any trades or anything?
Yeah, I was
on
gonna
that?
ask. Any questions, trade review questions? Anything? Anybody? That 15 was clear. See, that's continuation. See, Jan, see, you're understanding it now.
Which one?
The 15-second trade, it was a continuation. You're understanding it now.
Exactly. Yep.
Like, see, it just looks so clear. It's like there's like a candle just won't print that strong unless we
Exactly.
actually like want to go higher. Like,
Exactly.
and then that's a trade right there. Is like if it loses, like fine, like because like everything lined up for higher right there.
Exactly. That's bro. I smacked it with 4 minis.
That's fucking fire.
I was super like if that failed, like I was fine with blowing the account on this trade. Like this was.
I mean, yeah, that's just like a really like
Yeah.
just A plus, honestly.
Yep.
Especially when you have a clear break even. You just broke even at the internal high right there, right?
Yep. And then I
So
just,
yeah,
yep.
that's so fire. I think these accounts I need. I'm pretty much like 2/3 of the way done.
Fire.
So
Shit.
hopefully one more day and then get done with evals. Hopefully,
These are the top steps.
yeah.
All right, bet.
But I'm locked on these ones. I have 100% trade percent win.
That's fire. Good shit.
So we'll see. Hopefully I can take these and then either get a payout by the end of the month or make up for it in February.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I've been getting destroyed this month. This has been probably the worst month I've had since starting. Honestly.
I think the same. Or honestly, I'd say the worst month, like maybe expense wise, but not like I guess not performance wise. Like I was pretty much trading the market like the same, but the market just wasn't like delivering.
Yeah. No. For sure, expense wise for me too.
Yeah. Yeah, I definitely spent a lot.
I got destroyed. I don't know what happened. It was like the new year rolled around, like, and I just like lost all sense of money.
Yeah, it's just like, well, we also full port evo, so
Yeah, that's true.
it's like if we decided to size and like give ourselves 5 days on an evo, I'm sure like it would take no more than 2 attempts.
No, I agree with that. Yeah, but we want to get it over with. You're right.
Yeah, exactly. I think AB said something about that, like when he cycles, he'll go through. It can be like 5 sets of evals he'll go through to get back to like his accounts.
Wow.
But the ROI, like once he has his XFAs back, like the ROI off the first payout is cleared. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We also did mention wanting to minimize expenses. It's like, yeah, like I'm pretty sure like I tallied up like roughly my like prop firm expenses for 2025 and it was like 22 grand, I think.
Wow. I mean, but that's fine though, in your sense,
Yeah.
in your sake.
Yeah, like ratio wise, it's like definitely saw it. I was like, it's like the ratio is like 200K like incoming to 22K spent.
Oh yeah, that's unreal. That's amazing.
So technically, I beat the S&P.
Well, so hold on. How are you gonna hide that money?
What do you mean?
You're gonna pay tax on that whole 180?
I mean, I kind of have to, but I mean, that's kind of why I bought the setup and spent like a shit ton on it because the setup alone will be like 11.5 grand to write off.
Yeah.
So like once all the expenses and stuff are added up, it should be somewhere like high 30s to like, like 40 grand somewhere around there
That's
for
still,
expenses.
that's disgust. Oh, for the expenses, but even
Yeah.
still, like for taxes, you're still gonna be
Oh
paying
yeah.
roughly that much, bro.
I'm paying like 50K. Yeah.
Yeah, dude, that's
I've already like established that. I established that since like September. So like that's fine. I already accounted for that.
but that's still gross, dude. That's unreal.
It is foul. Definitely is definitely is disgusting as fuck. Literally I'm gonna have to give them someone's yearly salary up front in tax,
Honestly,
which is actually foul.
it's honestly a good thing, you know. You can't make
Like yeah, I guess
you
yeah.
know, you can just make more money.
Yeah, I guess yeah, right. Just make more. Make more, pay more.
Yeah.
Nah, I mean if I like this year like the taxes should be way different because the LLC and everything.
Yeah.
But yeah. Obviously this for 2025 I didn't account for a like 6-figure year. So I would have made the LLC earlier if I thought that was gonna happen.
Yeah. Well, even still, it doesn't matter when you create the LLC, right?
No, it really doesn't. No, not really. Well, you mean to like report the income for it?
Oh, well, no. Even still, it doesn't matter when you create it. You can report it for whenever for the year. I'm pretty sure. I think.
Because realistically, is like I made my like pretty much what I made like 152K out of that 200 in quarter 4. So like
Okay.
majority of the tax would be for quarter 4.
Yeah,
So I guess theoretically, I guess maybe I could.
I think you can.
I would have to ask. I'd have to ask Tyler and see what he says about it.
Yeah.
But I'd want to think. I would want to say, but then it's like, I don't know. Maybe they would say because I don't have like a business checking link to the business or some shit. I'm not sure.
Yeah. I'm honestly not sure.
I'll ask him about it and see.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't think I was gonna rinse Apex. I just wanted a full port Apex to feel something, and then I passed. And then
I remember that day, bro. I literally remember that day.
like, bro. That's solid. At least like once the LLC said, then it's like the whole self-employment tax can just be eradicated at least.
Yeah. Exactly.
Because that's like, bro, 15% for
It's
self-employment is insane.
It's retarded, bro.
Like 15, like that is crazy.
They literally don't.
And that's
want
exactly why people go to Puerto Rico.
Yeah, they literally don't want you to work for yourself.
Yeah, no, at all.
It's messed up.
And basically, if you do, they want you to make like an insane amount of money to compensate. Yeah, that's right.
Welcome to the U.S.
Yeah. I guess Tyler said he'd run through all the numbers and then we'd kind of see like what I'm looking at. But yeah, I will ask him if I can like low key report it through the LLC because if I could, then that would be kind of clutch.
I'm pretty sure you can. Don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure you can.
I'll ask him.
All right, fellas.
That would definitely be sick. But yeah. Yeah, if no one has questions or anything.
Yeah. We're gonna hop off here.
Yeah. Solid
Alright,
little
sounds good.
sesh.
Yeah.
So tomorrow
Yes, sir.
you're
Catch you
not
guys in the
gonna
morning.
live?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Alright.
All right. Peace out, fellas.
Later,
Peace.
boys.
Yo.
Yo.